Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga televiewers namin. Andito naman po tayo sa ating programang Mindanao Talks. At siyempre, itong inyong lingkod, Nining Tiwana, at kasama ko ngayon ang aking kaibigan na si Rose Palacio. Good morning sa iyo, Rose.
Good morning, and good morning sa mga televiewers natin sa Mindanao Talks. Good morning.
At siyempre, sa ngayon, ang aming may bisita ka po kami na siyempre ating tanungin regarding sa product na dinala niya dito sa ating studio na makikita natin ngayon. At siyempre dito, magandang umaga sa iyo, Mar. Ano? Mar lang ang tawag ko sa iyo. And then magandang umaga din sa iyo, Lan.
Good morning.
Ang unang katanungan ko, sino bang sasagot regarding sa product and then regarding sa company?
Or ano muna siguro, i-introduce namin yung company.
Okay. Ikaw muna ang una. Okay. Sige, Mar. I-introduce mo ang company.
Okay. Ang pangalan ng, the name of our company is Maharlika Mind, no? Marketing. This was born out of adversity. Walang planong gawain ito dahil marami kaming mga kapalpakan sa negosyo, na-formulate namin ito. Actually, marami nagtatanong kung ano daw ito. Ang sabi ng iba, networking. Sabi namin, hindi. Inspired by networking, pero hindi siya networking. Consumerism lang. The good news about this is you will not incur any other extra expense. Kasi every one of us are already doing it, no? Kaninang umaga, lahat tayo naligo, nag-shampoo, nagsabon, uminom ng kape, uminom ng Milo. Pero ang big question, kumita ba tayo doon?
Okay.
Diba? Dito, I don't know kung this is something new or hindi naman siguro. Pero, binigyan namin value yung ating kinoconsume. Every time we take a bath, no? Meron tayong kikitaing pera. And I think it's a very decent way of earning money, lalo na ngayon sa ating economic situation, no?
Parang may return of investment.
Actually, we call it a purchase because when you join the business, you just buy a product. So that way, it becomes a purchase, but at the same time, it will grow. It's a form of an investment also. Kasi yun nga, mamaya explain ni Alan how the business will go, no? So, very practical lang, no? May kasabihan kami dito, nakalagay, dream big, no? Kasi karamihan kasi pag nag-dream big ka, kasi libre naman daw mag-dream di ba?
Yeah.
Pero pag nag-dream big ka sa ating economic situation ngayon, ang kakambal nun, malaking kapital.
Oo.
Hindi naman siguro lahat tayo, a majority cannot do that, no? Afford that. So, ginawa namin ng paraan, sinabi namin, baliktarin natin. Dream big nga, pero start small.
Oo.
Diba? Sabi ng mga Chinese, 1,000 journey starts with a small step. And then, kailangan ito very important din, no? We should think differently. No? Kasi, kung iba-iba kasi ang mga problema sa ating buhay, so we need to try until we will be able to find a solution, no? And I think it's working because in 12 weeks or so lang tayo, no? The company is around 12 weeks old lang, pero we're around 1,600 already, no? By the way, meron ko kaming website, no? maharlikamind.com. Hopefully later this week or next week pwede na yung buksan yon.
So, yung sinabi mo na dream big and start small. Nakita ko kasi yung dream big na yun. Tapos sabi mo, kasi before, pag uminom tayo ng coffee, walang bumabalik sa atin na pera. And then synthetic, di ba? Ano naman ang kaibahan dito sa ating kape? Di ba? Sino ang sasagot doon? Okay, Lan.
Pwede ko masagot yun, no? Kasi ako, everyday, actually almost everyday, iniinom ko itong kape natin. Is made in Davao. By the way, the only manufacturing plant in the whole island of Mindanao. Sabi nila, na 4 yung manufacturing plant sa buong Pilipinas. Yung tatlo, yung giant plant coffee manufacturing, nandun lahat yun sa Luzon.
Yes.
And wala pang Visayas. We're the only one in the whole island of Mindanao. but happen to be in Davao City. You know, we partner with the manufacturing company Invins Food dito sa Davao. Matagal na po sila. We went to the plant, we want to search, we want to know everything, where the coffee is made, saan galing yung raw material, and saan galing yung packaging, no? We just work it out na talagang favor talaga, and these people are very honest. Anyway, I have to say that before I say anything about the coffee. Our coffee is natural. Lahat ito, ingredients 8-in-1 by the way. So talo natin yung mga 3-in-1, 4-in-1, kahit yung 7-in-1, o may 7.5 ba dyan, o tayo 8-in-1. Ang sarap talaga, it's protein, nandito ng mangosteen, tongkat ali, hydrolyzed soya, nandito din yung stevia, no? So for natural coffee beans siya, the creamer natural, 8-in-1. Ang daming, mostly ladies like it. Kasi protein siya, hindi siya yung brewed coffee na karamihan sa mga men, they really like yung matapang talaga. But it's all about protein. And ang bigat ng pakiramdam mo sa umaga kapag ininom mo, no? Ang daming mga testimony. Kumbaga, parang hindi yata ako nagugutom. Just taking one sachet. And so it's very good. And it helps you. One thing I've noticed, no, I don't know about Wilmar, one thing I've noticed, detox. Pawis ka palagi, no? At saka, you labas ka ng ano, no? Which is good naman, yung farting is very good. So, it's really detox a lot. And I like it. It's healthy coffee. But, hindi lang yun. Neneng, no, may bumabalik na pera sa'yo tuwing Friday.
Napapurchase.
Every time you purchase, you earn money every week. Hindi every month, every week.
Rose, baka may tanong ka din sa kanilang dalawa.
Yeah. Ang importante dito kung paano magpapamiyembro. Kasi alam mo, ang pagkakalam ko talaga ito makamasa ito
Yes.
Okay.
Affordable. Kung ang kapital, kaya nga sinabi ni Wilmar na maliit ang kapital, napakaliit talaga. Baka pwede nilang i-expound.
Okay. Sinong sasagot doon?
Siguro ako.
Okay.
Yun ang maganda. As a, amen to that, no? Kasi 1989 pa ako dito sa itong industry. Isang nagugustuhan ko dito sa products, sa marketing plan, yung initial mo. At saka, actually dito po, wala pong additional cost. No, gusto ko malaman ng lahat na wala pong additional cost. Just transfer buying. Transfer buying, transfer brand. Kasi for so many dekada na bumibili ka ng mga produkto, coffee, hindi lang coffee, may Nutrinamil tayo, isang sachet equivalent to 25 sachets of Milo, no? 27 different kinds of ingredients. So no more Milo na, no more hot choco na dito na kasi may bumabalik ka na pera. Ang maganda dito, Tita Rose, no? Hindi lang magandang produkto, murang-mura. Sa 300 peso mo, may business ka na, you can earn thousands of peso weekly, and at the same time, may free RCBC ATM card tayo.
Yeah.
I believe you have also one. I know you're excited using this, hopefully soon. Di ba? So, ito free po, no? Ang dami, may estudyante na pumapasok, na hindi ka pwede makakaroon ng ganito, not unless you have only 2 people na sineran mo, hindi mo ibenta yung produkto, kasi lahat tayo consumer.
Okay.
Kaya lang, ang yumayaman, yung mga big company. Na dito, consumer la transfer buying, no? I don't wanna name other company or mall dito. But kung doon ka palagi, walang kahit pesong bumabalik, useless pa rin. Dito, bumibili ka, o nagkukonsume ka lang every week,
May bumabalik.
May bumabalik. Dito, you can earn 44,000 peso every week. Minimum lang po yun, Neneng. Minimum lang po. No?
So, ipakita mo nga, ilabas mo nga kung
Yes.
yan ang